Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham. I'm at one of my coaching clients' properties down here that we got under contract yesterday for $38,500. My coaching clients are killing it, guys. We're in 17 different markets across the US and love to have you, love to talk to you about the program. If you're interested, shoot me an email. My email is below and you could end up owning something like this. And you know, even better, the finished product. So let's head on in and show you what we have so far. So like I said, guys, we got this under contract yesterday for $38,500. It's a 2-bedroom down here in Birmingham. So far you walk right in. It's a little bit of a smaller unit. It's on the smaller side. It's about 800 square feet, but that's okay because there's still a market for this. I know that there's a lot of people that say, and myself included, the more bedrooms, the more money you make. That's true, but there's also a market for properties that are less bedrooms because some people only have 2-bedroom vouchers or 1-bedroom vouchers. So as long as the money works and it makes sense for us from an investment standpoint, then we can make it work. So come on inside and we'll show you a little bit about what this thing has going on. Immediately we walk into the living room. The first couple things I noticed that will need to be fixed. We have a crack here in the window. The yard outside needs to be cut. We have a little bit of ceiling damage here, nothing that can't be fixed here with the popcorn ceiling. That'll be addressed. There is vinyl sheet flooring all over the floor. It's bundled in some areas, just very cheap flooring. What we'll do is we'll tear this up. We'll probably put carpet down because it'll be just kind of nice in here. We'll do laminate in the kitchen and the bathrooms, but based on our budget for this home, we think carpet's going to be our best way to go, and carpet will be the quickest way to get this thing up and running. So we're going to put carpet in here, and we'll do full repaint of this entire unit, new ceiling, fix the window, do all the landscaping outside. Kind of cool, kind of nice. Right here you can put bar stools, okay, on this side and have your breakfast right here every day, and your dinner. Kind of look into the kitchen. We're going to redo that whole kitchen as well. So, but this is nice little touch, making the most of the space for sure. So come here with a little hallway right here, and we come into this bedroom. So this is bedroom number 1, okay? Bedroom number 1, and it has a little closet. Right now, in order for it to be a legal bedroom, it needs a closet. So this will be the closet. I don't know what's in there. I'm not going to look. But we have our closet. We have our outlets. We'll put new outlet covers. We'll repaint this whole room. There's a big, huge wasp right there. We'll stay away from that. Windows are fairly new. We'll clean those up. They're aluminum windows. They're nice windows. They're all functioning. We did a function check when we came in on the windows. They look good. And it's a nice little bedroom. A lot of natural light here, guys. Really nice, decent sized bedroom. And will be nice for somebody to live in. So guys, coming into this hallway right here, we have the kitchen, okay? Now, this kitchen definitely needs a little bit of updating. We're gonna get rid of this disgusting hospital light, is what I like to call these, because when you turn them on, they're bright and it gives a gross light. You feel like you're on an operating table. So we're gonna get rid of that. And then we're gonna make the most of our space here, okay? So we're gonna put brand new laminate flooring down in here. It has a brand new refrigerator. Maybe keep that, maybe not, we'll see. Get rid of the stove, kind of put new appliances in. This is the hot water heater, guys, believe it or not. Old school hot water heater, okay? Give that a peek. Okay, so that is a hot water heater. All right, so we're gonna update that. We're gonna get that out of here, do a smaller unit, put that in the corner right there. Paint the cabinets, paint this whole room, new light fixture. The electrical box is in here. We'll tie in our HVAC system. It's older paneling, but it's not too old to where we're running a fuse box. We're still running a panel. So the electric in the house, it's not brand new, but it's been updated in the last 20 years. So probably more recent, probably in the last 15 years. And then, you know, one thing about this unit is we have our water hookups here for a washer, and we have our dryer vent set up here for a dryer with our electrical outlet there for the dryer. So you're gonna have your washer and dryer in the kitchen. Not ideal. I don't love to do that in homes, but in that same clip, there's really no one else to put our hookups. You guys know we're not supplying washer and dryers, so we're going to supply the hookups. We're going to clean them up. What we'll probably do over here, we'll update this, and we'll put a box right here. Basically, we're going to take these pipes, we'll run them up through the wall. We'll build out a box right here, and just make it a little bit nicer. We'll also get rid of this. That way, it'll give somebody the option to do a stackable unit right here. Instead of having to put your washer here, your dryer there, and take up too much square footage. So we want to make sure that the tenant in here is comfortable and not feeling like they're totally cramped with space. So we want to give them the option. We might even put a dryer vent over here also in case they want to do a dual stackable unit, okay? So guys, kind of continuing onward over here, we have one of my favorite things, which is becoming a staple in this market and in some of these old Section 8 units that we're remodeling. The upside down door, which is one of my favorites. It really is becoming one of the most popular things we're seeing. Someone puts a door upside down, and you know, we're talking about a doorknob that you'd have to be, you know, the little kids won't be able to touch because it's about a foot too high. And then in here, guys, we have our bathroom. We have, we're gonna put a new toilet in here, a new vanity in there. We're gonna reglaze the tub. We're gonna repaint. We're gonna do everything that we need to do. We'll put a new light fixture in here as well. This bathroom has a window, so it doesn't need a fan. It needs some point to vent the area, whether it is a in-ceiling vent or a window. It has a window, so we're gonna leave that there. We're gonna update the bathroom. We're gonna put new laminate flooring down in the bathroom as well, and take care of it like that. So definitely a nice big bathroom that will be nice for somebody. And we are excited to get into this house and get to work. So lastly, guys, we move into the master, I guess you could say, bedroom. And it's a little bigger than the one in the front. It has a kind of a bigger closet over here, 2 windows, a lot of light, and we're just gonna finish this thing up. You can tell that a lot of times when these things are about to be sold, the people that are selling the units, they come in here and they'll just spray the unit down with spray paint. And it's evident over here when you see that whoever sprayed it, they don't really care. There's not a lot of attention to detail. They just come in here and they blow it all off with a spray paint gun, and just hit the whole thing. It's also evident when you come over here and you look at doors like this, and you see doorknobs painted over, you see coat hangers painted over. It's just a total spray paint. And everywhere you look, guys, if you go around this whole room, every bit of trim on the walls, every bit of border and molding, everything is just spray painted. It's just such a shoddy way to do work. So my contracting teams, we totally disagree with that. It looks awful. Who's gonna wanna live here? We'll come in, we'll carpet this whole room. We will take care of everything that needs to be done here, and get it done the right way. So let's head back out to the living room. And guys, there's a big hornet flying around. But guys, one of the things that's nice about this unit is it's not a bad size, okay? It's a little bit small, but it still has everything that you need. It's got everything that's gonna get us into that next tier, that top tier of 2-bedroom money. So I'm expecting this unit to make somewhere between $795 and $865 per month for the client. The rehab on this unit is gonna be somewhere between My guess would be 14 and 17,000. Probably going to be right around that 15,000 mark. It's going to need a new roof. Now it's a little bit smaller, so the roof isn't going to be ultra expensive to do, but it needs a lot of cosmetic work. It's got some cracked windows. It needs some landscaping work. So we're hoping that the client has an all-in acquisition cost of about 54,000, and the client is going to finance the property. So you think about financing 38.5, very, very short. You're talking a down payment of around $7,000. Okay, crazy. Plus 15,000 all into this thing for about 22K, and we're going to be renting it out for about what I hope to be around $850 a month, $825 to $850 a month, and your return on that is just it's crazy, especially when you consider what the mortgage is going to be on this property, financing $30,000 over 30 years. It's just so short. So really happy for this client, guys. Would love to talk to you about getting in the program. Shoot me an email below. We'll get you involved and get you started. We'll see you soon.